botch something up to supersize your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom for today is to botch something up. Now, I personally love this particular idiom and expression. Why? Because I pretty much botch something up every single day of my life. What does botch mean? I'm going to read it to you. So it's actually been around since about the 1600s. It means to make a mistake. It's informal. It means an error or problem caused by, and I love this, ineptitude, carelessness, or mismanagement. Have any of us ever been guilty of any of those things? Well, I know I sure have. Another definition, clumsy or poor piece of work, a bungle. Another good word. I guess I like B words. Bungle, botch, break, brilliant. To spoil something by doing it badly. Guess what? Whenever we start doing something new, whenever we test or try something new, chances are we stink at it, right? We're not good at it the first time we try. Very few of us ever try anything that we excel at the first time we try it. Some lucky humans have that ability. I don't consider myself one of them. I know that I'm gonna have to make a lot of tries, a lot of attempt at things before I get it perfect or right, or before I master it. You know, I think that statistics say it's 10,000 hours of doing something to actually be a master of it. Now, I don't know if that's true or not. I think there's lots of things I've done for 10,000 hours that I still am not very good at. But to me, to botch something is a little mistake, and you get to define it however you want, but to me a botch is like a little mistake, and we have to accept, or I think if we want to grow and build and supersize our business, we have to accept little mistakes in ourselves as well as in other people, because we all make mistakes. To me, big mistakes are F-ups, and I'm not even going to say it because you know exactly what I'm talking about. Guess what? We do some of those in our business as we're growing and building and supersizing it as well. So curious, what is your interpretation? How do you feel about this particular idiom or expression, to botch something up? It is tied together with this year's annual challenge, in that our question, one of our two questions today was, if somebody does a bad deed, does that make them a bad person? And of course, that's always subject to interpretation, just like everything else, right? We get to decide what everything means, and that's what this segment is all about. It's about thinking for yourself and deciding what things mean for you as you grow and build the business that you want to see in the world. I am excited. It's Christmas Eve here, and I just want to wish you and yours a very, very Merry Christmas, or however and whatever you celebrate this time of year. And I will, of course, be with you tomorrow, even though it's Christmas Day, sharing an idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to build and grow and supersize your business? Have an awesome day, and I'll be with you tomorrow. Bye. Go botch something up.